Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can assign ringtone to contact on your Sony Xperia 10 Mark V. So to do this, at the first you have to open the phone dialer, then go to the contacts and right now select one of the contact, then tap on this three dots in the right upper corner and then click to set the ringtone. Right here you can find list of all default ringtones, so if you want to switch for any of them, just select and click OK. But if you want to get your own custom ringtone, go below and select Add Ringtone. Next you will be moved to the recent files, and I can recommend you to click on these three lines in the left upper corner, where you can go straight to your audio files, downloads, you can decide. And from here you can basically click any default file that you have on your phone. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.